Okay, you guys are going to pass. There I'm summarizing these things for you to understand. So how do you use radicals in formulas? For example, if they say write the chemical formula for the following compounds. Okay, writing the formulas for the following compounds. Write the chemical formula for the following compounds. Let's say I tell you write the formula for calcium sulfate, for example. Okay, you remember what I said? Writing the chemical formula for calcium sulfate. This sulfate is from the radicals. It's not on the periodic table. This is a radical. Sulfate is a radical. The first thing you do, you remember first, you write first calcium first before you write the chemical formula. You remember first you write it from the periodic table. When you look at calcium, it has got 2 here. It has got 20 down here, and then the EC. I think I taught you this in the previous lecture. 2,8,2. So that's how you write. You use the number down here, which is 20. You put it in EC, and then this number at the end here, I said when it's less than 4 or 4. You just write the way it is. So meaning the valence for calcium there, it's what? 2. But sulfate, what's the formula for sulfate? You memorize it. Sulfate is SO4 and has got a valence of what? 2. You have to memorize it. The way you memorize the way you memorize how you memorize the multiplication table. You have to memorize. This is a multiplication table for chemistry, for the radicals. Okay. So we proceed. So we'll say now, write the chemical formula now. Calcium and sulfate. Calcium and sulfate. So I put like this. We said all radicals must be put in brackets. And then you put 1 here, and then you put 1 here. Always, you always put 1 down, always put 1. What's the valence for calcium? 2. What's the valence for sulfate? 2. Then you cross multiply. These 2 here. Then you what? You cross multiply. I've taught you this. So this 2 here multiplies with the 1 here. What do you get? 2 times 1, it is 2. Again, SO4. Again, you multiply that 2 there, multiplied with the 1 here. 2 times this one, this side, it is 2. But have you seen these 2, they are prime factors. It means 2 can enter into itself, also 2 can enter, so they can cancel out. So in short, what will remain? CaSO4. That's what's going to remain, because 2 there has cancelled, the other 2 outside has cancelled. That's the formula. You see how simple that is. You see? The second one is, I can say, chemical formula for I can say magnesium phosphate. Okay? Phosphate. There's A there, phosphate. A. Not phosphorus. Magnesium phosphate. Phosphate. There is A. So, magnesium phosphate, first you write chemical formula for magnesium. First you write magnesium, it is 12. You get from periodic table, there it's 12. There it's 24. Then you write the EC for magnesium, it is 2,8,2. And then you say the last number there, it's what? 2. So meaning the valence there, it's 2. Phosphate is from the radicals. It is PO4. And that's got a valence of what? A valence of 3. So you come there. Then you put your magnesium there, you put your phosphate there. All radicals must be put in brackets. Put 1, put 1. Valence for magnesium, 2. Valence for phosphate, 3. What do? You cross multiply. This 3 times this one is magnesium 3 here. This 2 times this one, it is PO4 and a 2 outside. So these are not factors of one another. So just leave it. This is the answer.